Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Tamara Renaye. So as you can see by the title of today's video, it is all about this unit that I'll be installing, styling, and rocking. It is from ISEE Hair. All hair details will be down in the description box below. As always, you guys already know the drill. I like to start off with sharing the goodies that I receive in my package along with the unit itself. Y'all can see we got a long straight bust down going on. This is 24 inches. I believe it's a kinky straight. Absolutely love this texture because it very much so is close to my natural texture. My hair is perm for those that don't know, but my hair is perm, but I'm talking about like when I have it straightened. But anyways, that is besides the point. I showed y'all a cap that I got in the package. This is not a hairnet. This is to show you guys this new hair structure of how these wigs are being made now. So this is an M cap, and it is such a good convenient way of making these wigs because y'all, when I tell you that it is so snug on your head, you don't need no glue, you don't need no adhesive, you don't need no spray, you need nothing, okay? Besides applying some bronzer or some powder that's close to your complexion, just to, you know, make to disguise the lace, I should say. That's all you need. But besides that, baby, you don't need anything else, okay? So I really love how this unit comes pre-plucked, you know, the knots are bleached. Like all you got to do is just slap this on. So I really love the convenience of having removable clips in this wig, because I know sometimes how most wigs are made, they always stitch the clips. And I mean, it's easy for you to, you know, just cut it and unstitch it. But sometimes you might want to have a clip, you know? So on the days when you don't want to have the clip, you can just easily slide it out. And when you want the clips, easily slide it in. Just don't lose them, okay? Make sure you keep them in a good place. But I really, really, really love the convenience of that. And especially the clip at the back. Sometimes that can be, you know, it can irritate you depending on how you have your hair underneath, and also depending on how long you are wearing this wig. I know sometimes that clip back there can be doing a lot, okay? It truly can. But this hair basically came ready to go. All I had to do was just straighten it to remove, you know, all the dents and bends that were in it from, you know, it being wrapped into the package. And that is honestly it. I went in with my hot comb to just lay the top flat, get that real cute and nice. And then I went in with my Paul Mitchell straightener. I can't speak because I wanted to say Paul Mitchell. Oh my gosh, why am I adding an R in his name? Paul Mitchell Nero Smooth Flat Iron. It was giving tongue twister. Anyways, I went in with my straightener to just, you know, straighten out the kinks. And then I went in with a bit of hair oil. I believe it's hair oil. This is from, what I use is from L'Oreal. I got it in PR. So I'm like, you know, why not just use it for the wig? Even though I already use it on my hair, but I'm like, why not? Because this hair is like so fresh and new, the hairs of the wig is very free. And I needed it to be a bit more like tamed, you know. Y'all know when you straighten your hair, like on the first day, your hair is always nice and free. But by the second, third, fourth day, it comes together with like your natural oils and it just looks so good and it behaves so well. Yeah, that's how this wig is. And that's how I wanted the hair to be. I was trying to have it like a day 3 or day 2. Like when you straighten it, you get a blowout, whatever, and you wrap it. Y'all, at this point, I'm rambling. But anyway, that's all I gotta say, okay? Again, all hair details will be down in the description box below. Big shout outs to ISEE Hair. Really love their units. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Drop your comments below. Hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye. Follow me on TikTok at Tamara.Renaye. And keep up with me on my blog. I'm still going to push my blog out there even though I hard to be posting. But it's www.tamararenaye.com. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.